welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to record income in YNAB. All right. So first up, open up the app. Now go to the transaction button right here. Just tap on it. And once done, make sure that it's set to inflow. Okay. So it will have a green background right here. That means that you're adding in cash or money. So just go ahead and tap on inflow. Now choose the pay right here. For example, I'm just going to go ahead and add in my savings. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in maybe 5,000 like so. And then scroll down the date, maybe today. Is it cleared? Yes or no? Flag and add in some memo. Freelancing. Just for example. Hit on save. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, it will be added to my account. Okay. Now I'll go ahead over to accounts right here. Okay. And check under my savings or my savings account right here. And as you can see, it's now ready to be assigned. All right. And there you have it. That is how you record income in YNAB. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.